Yeah, that's right. Okay. Meron din po question dito, Doc, about sa gallstones naman. So,
Yeah.
nakakatulong din po ba ang elixir sa merong may gallstones?
Depende sa gallstones. Maraming klase ng gallstones, but gallstones that are caused by diet, actually cholesterol, no? A very fatty diet, which of course tuwan-tuwa dyan ng elixir kasi di ba we have actives that counter a high cholesterol or a high fatty diet. Ang high cholesterol diet or fatty diet is very much a cause of um, gallstones. So basically, it helps. Definitely, it helps. When you say, will it melt? Will it remove the stone? Sometimes it's not easy to say yes or to say no. A lot depends on the size. Kung maliit pa siya, kaya pa matunaw. Kung malaki na, hindi na. Kung maliit pero matagal na, no, the duration has been there. Kasi this is a cause, ang cause nito yung latak na mga um, cholesterol with the bile acids form the stone. No? It does help. The least that it can do. Sabihin na natin hindi siya matutunaw, but the least na magagawa ni EP, ni Elixir Placenta sa iyong gallstone is for it not to get worse, for it to grow, to delay its increase in size. The least. So in short, kung hindi list, syempre mas maganda magiging resulta, no? So ang minimum na maitutulong ni Elixir will be hindi siya mag-progress into a bigger one, madidelay or maganda kung lalo siyang matunaw, no? Kung lalo lumiit. So the best way for you to do is once you start taking Elixir, take an ultrasound of your stone as a baseline para meron kang baseline na ganito kalaki ang aking gallstone. After 6 months, for example, ulitin mo yung ultrasound in the same laboratory. Tingnan mo, i-compare mo. Okay? Ay pa, lumiit ah. Tuloy ko nga ito. So there's a positive effect of your elixir, no? This is the way to monitor it. Hindi lang tira ka ng tira, no? You have to have a basis for that. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.